macho men kind of personality.
Oh, yes.
Or like you have a girl and a boy, so you probably would know that your daughter probably will talk a lot more. They might be struggling to discuss because somehow the society raises men, or you're not supposed to cry. And our kids, like as a mother, we can encourage them to discuss and open up. Yeah, something
Like
sorry.
I will need because small
Yeah,
thing, yeah?
yeah.
Come on, tell me
Yeah,
what
yeah.
happened. Small. So while we're sitting today, how about we talk about men's in our life? Since Father's Day is coming, it can be our brother, our husbands, our father, all of them.
Our kids.
Our kids.
Yes,
Let's talk about them. Let's talk about their health. Any suggestions or anything you want to add on about men's health?
Sure, definitely. Yeah, that's a good question, and it's a good topic because in our lives, you would have noticed as well that men actually ignore their health.
Exactly.
They have that macho man kind of personality.
Oh,
They
yes.
don't want to really go and see doctor as much as they're putting it on that they're quite macho man. They actually feel shy to go and see a doctor and discuss their health issues.
Yeah.
All age group can have a different kind of a health issues they might be facing. Like if you, I don't know, like you have a girl and a boy, so you probably would know that your daughter probably will talk a lot more
Agree.
compared
Of
to
course.
the
Yes.
boys.
I have worked
Yeah.
there.
So from younger age, those issues can arise. That the younger boys could have some mental health issue. They might be struggling to discuss because somehow the society raises men, or you're not supposed to cry, and kind of a
I
thing,
know.
yeah. So that kind of a burden they grow
They
up
grow
with.
up.
So the younger age group could be suffering from some a mental health issue, sometime identity issue, and they might not be able to open up about that. So that's younger age group. The middle age, or I would say even 20 to 30 years, because they are all aspiring for certain career or certain whatever. And a lot of time, like again, the society's expectation is like nowadays women work as well, but still a lot of time they are the bread earner, or the
The men's
Yeah.
are
the
the main
yeah.
one. Yeah.
So because of there are certain expectations on them, so they could be struggling with that. And then
course.
comes the middle age, so 40 to 50, or nowadays I would say 40 to 60 kind of age bracket, where those men are reflecting back onto their own life, and some of them are happy, some of them are not happy, and that's what midlife crisis is all about. So there is a physical health issue. They could be having, like cardiac health issue, hypertension, diabetes, fatty liver, all that kind of health issue might be there. But at the same time, mental health issue, because a lot of them are again reflecting back on their own success or failure, and that could be affecting
Or
them.
even a
as
simple pain.
Yeah.
Sometimes what I see in my family, they feel bad to tell
that
us.
they are something
Like I will need because small
Yeah,
thing, yeah?
yeah.
Come on, tell me
Yeah,
what
yeah.
happened. Small
think,
back
yeah.
So
pain.
I think all age group, in case of men, I think it's for us, like yes, we should
So
encourage
how
them
we
to
can help them? How
Yeah.
we what we can do so they can speak up, or the
Yeah.
society should keep it easy on men's.
Yeah.
So they can speak up, they can say, they can tell
Yeah.
their emotions. What we can do about it?
Yeah, I think the shift is gonna be slow, and I think the wheels are already turning.
Turning.
So that I hopefully eventually that financial burden is little less on men, because we are helping as well.
Yeah.
At the same time, with the younger kids, like as a mother, we can encourage them to discuss and open up.
Yeah,
No,
especially when they're young. So we moms
Yeah.
should be, putting this in their mind.
Yeah.
कि ऐसा नहीं है कि वो इंडिया में ही था कि मर्द को दर्द नहीं होता या लड़का रोता नहीं है. No, bro, we
exactly.
can.
Yeah, they
Let's
they
talk
should
about
be
it.
able to
Agreed.
discuss their emotions.
True.
They should be able to openly talk about those things, and we should keep that channel open. So, and then with our husbands.
So in your
brothers,
clinic there is this kind of help available if anybody
Definitely, definitely, yeah, yeah. I'm quite, like, now, given that I have got teenager boys, actually quite passionate about looking after the young population as well. When they come and talk about, I actually find quite good that I can help them, and
Oh,
because
nice.
there is a whole life ahead of them. If you
Of
can help them
course.
at this
course.
stage, their life
Especially when
gonna
they're
be
young, they're
different.
going through any trauma.
Yeah,
It could be from the school or any family trauma.
yeah,
Family had some issue, and that time they need it. You
yeah,
know.
definitely. Yeah,
Mm.
yeah, yeah. And the common, like, the known topic which everybody wants to know about, the heart health and all those
Yes.
kind of things as
Mm.
well. So yeah, so I think for a 30 onwards, everyone should go to doctor at least once or twice a year for your routine general
Check
checkup.
up. Yes.
Mm.
And then there are
100%.
some preventive screening about like kidney health, heart health, liver checks, and all that sort of stuff. So you should go regularly, get your blood pressure checked, get your
Yeah, I
Oh,
too
yeah.
highly
Yeah.
believe in preventive health.
Yeah.
yeah,
I get super worried. Every few months I'm there. Dr. Paul, can we check this? Can we do this? Can
Yeah, well, that's a good habit. And I think you are very well right. Like, just encouraging them to get checked and, talk about it. It starts from home. And
Yeah.
I guess,
yeah,
very well said here that, it can happen in any age.
Hmm.
One should not wait for, after 40 or in 50s, like, okay, now I should get checkup done. No, start early on,
yeah.
take preventive measures, and if you're healthy, hearty inside, it reflects here
Yeah,
Mm.
everywhere,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
And what
So,
about those our elderly parents, like fathers, sometime, especially when they move from India or any other country, so they struggle to adapt the new health system here.
Yeah.
So how do you manage those kind of
I
scenarios?
think like me being Indian origin doctor, I do see lot of elderly population who are Indian origin as well. And I'm quite compassionate about that because my own parents are here as well. My father-in-law lives with me as well.
Hmm.
So I have seen their health issues, their struggle, so you can relate with them a lot more.
Hmm.
And I think hence they also find it quite comfortable to come and speak to
Of
us,
course.
me, or like many other doctors who are like me, like
Yeah,
Indian origin.
especially when you can speak Hindi.
Yeah,
same
when we
language.
can speak to them in their own language. So I think they feel more comfortable
Mm.
speaking.
तो वो transition हो जाता है easily. coming from
काफी
India.
चीजें समझ नहीं आती
takes
उनको
time.
या because यहाँ पे like a doctor will order a test and then you have to go there and you if you have to see a specialist you have to go there. There is a bit of a waiting involved with the stuff.
Hmm.
And in India, if you want to go and see this specialist, you just go to
Go.
that specialist. वो
I,
समझ
I,
आता
I can
भी
tell
है,
one
हाँ,
story on
हाँ.
this. Like when my father-in-law, we moved here, so he in India to pharmacy, you just go
Yeah,
to the
आधी
pharmacy,
चीजें
tell them this
pharmacy की.
medication, the pharmacist will give you. But here is a whole,
Yeah,
process, and we
yeah.
have to follow
Yeah,
that.
yeah,
It took us months,
yeah,
and
yeah.
to adapt this.
Yeah,
We were
course.
yeah.
moving his medication from India to local
Yeah,
medication.
yeah,
Oh, it was hassle.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
thanks to Dr. Paul, he
Oh,
helped you.
that's so sweet.
Mhm.
Alrighty. So on that note, happy Father's Day, guys.
Happy Father's Day.
And take care of yourself. And as Dr. Parul said, go and get yourself checked up in routine and, be there for each other. Speak up.
Please talk.
Yeah,
Just बात करो.
listen,
yeah.
Any
हाँ,
problem,
सही
just
बात है.
discuss it.
Exactly.
Yeah.
लड़का लड़की कुछ नहीं होता है.
कुछ
सबको
नहीं
बात
होता.
करना चाहिए.
सही.
हम हैं, करो बात.
Otherwise, Dr. Paul के पास चले जा. She'll look after you.
Alrighty. Okay.
Thank you.
Ciao,
Thank
ciao.
you.
Ciao, ciao.